Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Age's interactive Google Slides tutorial. We'll be looking at a cool feature where you'll be able to not only present your slides, but make them more interactive by simply adding hyperlinks to images and then linking those images to certain slides. So hey, let's cut to the chase. As you'll see on the left hand side, I have my preview playing. I will navigate to slide 2 to do the demonstration. First thing that you would like to do is first hover over your bubble or your image and you will select your image. You can either then right click and navigate to the link option, or what you can do is you can hover over it one more time and navigate to the link option at the top. Right there at the top, you can link there and you will see then that your link option come up. When it comes up, you will then select and navigate to the necessary slide that you would like to link this image to. So the first slide I would like to go to is Solids slide 3. So I'll click on that and I will say apply. And there you have it. Easy as that. So we can navigate to the second image to just do it one more time. So I'll click on it and I'll right click, navigate to link, and then I will then go and select the slide for liquids and apply. And then what would happen is just for interest's sake for everyone, when I've selected the text and I right click and I link and I navigate to gases quickly, this is what will happen to most of us. You will see this. And what will happen is when you see this, do not panic, just redo that and make sure to select the whole bubble and not the text, but the whole bubble. So I will then navigate to that. I'll click on link and I will go and I will navigate to gases and I will apply. And as you'll see, when I select each and every single bubble now, you'll see that there is a link to it. This means that it's linked. So to test this, let's quickly then present. We navigate to present. And this is what we'll have in front of me. So ladies and gentlemen, as I click on solids, you will see that it redirects me to solids. And then the amazing thing is this back option right here is actually already preloaded link image. When I click on that, it takes me back to today's mission. Let's try that out with liquids. Same thing, and then I will present accordingly. And when I navigate back, it will take me back to today's mission. And same goes for gases. But now we see, oopsie, I did not add the back button on gases. No problem. Let's quickly navigate to see how we can add an image to this. So one thing you can do is click on back, and you can copy that link, and you can paste it into the next slide, and you will see that it stays linked to that. There's various options as to how one can also add an image to your slide. You can either use the explore tool, or you can navigate to insert and click on image to add an image. But now let's quickly see that our slide is ready at gases once again, and we have our gases. Present that, click on back, and we are back to today's mission. And so ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more tutorials.